Hey guys, today you'll learn how to download a TikTok without a watermark. This is a 3-step guide and it's very simple. The first thing to do is to open your TikTok. Once you're here, find the video you want to download and tap on the share icon. Since I already have my video, all I have to do is tap the share icon. Now, tap on Copy Link. Once you've copied the link, you're going to want to go to Safari or any other browser and type Snaptic. In this page, just paste the link and tap on download. Once it converts, you'll see different servers. Just click anything, like I did. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.